welcome back once again to another video class. Welcome to Math with Teacher Reba. It's math time with Teacher Reba. Are you ready? Okay, that's good. I would like to remind you to please listen and watch the video until the end. Okay? Let's begin. Before we proceed to another video, we are going to have a short recap on what we have studied last time. Have you noticed this picture on your screen? Alright, what do you think? If you can still remember, what does this picture signifies? Alright, good job! Last meeting, we have studied the difference between heavy and light. Let me show you the pictures again and tell me if it is heavy or if it is light. Is that okay? Okay, good job. Let's start with the first picture. You tell me too, what picture is this? What is this again? Very good. It is an elephant. It is an elephant. What is this? Good job. It is a car. It is a car. What picture is this? Okay, this is a hammer. It is a hammer. What about this picture? What is this? Well done. It is a whale. It is a whale. How about this? Good job. It is a truck. It is a truck. Now, tell me what is a common thing about these pictures? What do you think is common to these pictures? Alright, all of these pictures shows objects that are heavy. Heavy. These are all heavy objects. Got it? Okay, let's say the heavy objects again. Elephant. Car. Hammer. Whale. Truck. Doing great, everyone. Let's go to the next slide. Let's try to see if you still remember the difference between heavy and light. Let's play. Let's match. Let's match. What picture is this? Good job. These are bricks. These are cottons. Tell me H if it's heavy, or L rather if it's light. H for heavy, L for light. Let's start? Okay, very good. Let's start with the first picture. What picture is this? It's bricks, right? Is it heavy or light? H or L? Good job! I heard it right. It's heavy. 2 thumbs up for you guys. How about the second picture? Is it heavy or light? Good job! It's light. Heavy bricks, light cotton. Next picture. What is this? Very good. It is a mouse. It is a mouse. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Now look between the 2 pictures. What do you think is the measurement of a mouse? Is it heavy or light? Okay, the mouse weighs light. Great job! Light. So that means an elephant is heavy. Heavy. Light mouse, heavy elephant. Okay, let's move to the next one. What are these? These are balloons. What is this picture? These are bubbles. Now tell me, which is heavy or which is light? Which picture do you think is heavy? Which picture do you think is light? Is the balloon heavy? Yes or no? Okay, it's safe to say that balloons are heavier than bubbles since 2 of them are light, but between the 2, balloons are heavier. That means bubbles, we identify it as light. Alright, let's move on. What picture can you see? Okay, it is a bicycle. How about this picture? What is this? Great job! It is a car. Is a bicycle heavy or light compared to a car? Very good. It is lighter than a car. How about the car? If bicycle is lighter than it, then car must be awesome. the car is heavier than the bicycle. Light bicycle, heavy car. Can you follow? Alright, good job. Now, let's compare the three pictures. We all have light objects, but now let's try to see which one is light, which one is lighter, and which one is the lightest. Repeat after me. The bicycle is light. Good job. Next, the mouse weighs lighter than the bicycle. Again, the mouse weighs lighter than the bicycle. Very good. The bubble weighs the lightest among the three. Again, the bubble weighs the lightest among the three. Very good. So which object is light? Bicycle. Very good. Which bicycle is lighter than it? Good job. It's the mouse. And which object weighs the lightest? Very good. It's the bubbles. Next, another three pictures. And it shows heavy objects. Repeat after me. The balloon is heavy. Good job. The balloon weighs heavier than the car. Okay? The elephant weighs the heaviest among the three. Alright, so which object weighs the heaviest? Okay, it's the elephant. Good job. Which object weighs heavier than the car? Doing good. It's the balloon. Very good. How about which object is heavy? Of course, it is the balloon. Great job, everybody. Now, it's time for us to learn another topic. And for today's main topic, we are going to talk about measuring weight using spring scale. I'll repeat. Measuring weight using spring scale. Can you say spring scale? Okay, since we just talked about heavy and light, why not deal with measuring weight, especially with objects that we can hardly measure if we touch it with bare hands? Okay. When we measure objects or goods, sometimes when we go to the market, we see this object. And this object is called a spring scale. What is this? Okay, it's a spring scale. The spring scale is the one who helps measurements of goods be easier. A spring scale has two parts. First part is the face. Can you say face? Alright. In the face, you can see numbers 0 to 7. So the circle over here is the face, And the numbers are 0 to 7. And you also can see pointer inside the face. So as you can see, this red arrow, this is the pointer. One division, it means kilogram, and the smaller divisions, it means gram. Alright, the second part is the pan. Pan. Repeat after me, please. Pan. Okay, good job. The pan is where the object to be measured is placed. So it's like you want to measure salt. You put it in the pan before you read the measurement. So later on, you will know more about this one. So what are the parts of the scale? Face and pan. Good job. Let's have examples. Now, we are trying to measure a bag of sugar. We will try to measure a bag of sugar. We have to remember the points. We have pointer, unit, weight. All of these three you should take into consideration before you read the measurement so that you will also have a guide. So let's start with the pointer. Pointer means where does our pointer point? It points where? What number? Look at the picture. Okay, it points to number 1. So you write 1. What did I tell you? The bigger numbers are for kilograms and the smaller divisions, they are for grams. So since this is big, our unit is kilogram or kg. Again, this is kilogram. Therefore, our weight is 1 kilogram. Can you say, this bag of sugar weighs 1 kilogram? I repeat, this bag of sugar weighs 1 kilogram. Your turn. Good job. We measured a bag of sugar. Next, let's measure fishes. Fresh fishes. Let's have the pointer again, unit, and weight. Where does our pointer point? Okay, it points to number 2. So, what is our unit? Is it kilograms or grams? Alright, good job. It's kilogram. So, our weight this time is 2 kilograms. Can you say, these fresh fishes weighs 2 kilograms? Again, these fresh fishes weighs 2 kilograms. Your turn. Okay. Finish with measuring fresh fish. Let's move on to measuring green apples. Pointer, unit, weight. The pointer points between 0 and 1. And the pointer points at the 7th division. Therefore, our unit is it kilogram or gram? Grams. Good job. The weight is 700 grams. Why? Because one small division is equal to 100 grams. We can say now, the green apples weigh 700 grams. The green apples weigh 700 grams. Your turn. Good job. Next. Let's weigh again another green apples. Write pointer, unit, and weigh. Where does our pointer points? It points between 1 and 2. On what division? On the third division. So our unit would be grams. And since we passed 0 and 1, we can also use kilograms. Therefore, our weight is 1 kilogram and 300 grams. 1 kilogram and 300 grams. The green apples weigh 1 kilogram and 300 grams. Okay? Your turn. Let's try. Weighing oranges. Where does our pointer point at? Okay, it points to 6. Our unit is kilograms. Good job. The weight is 6 kilograms. The oranges weigh 6 kilograms. Good job. That's correct. Next, let's weigh a piece of fish. A piece of fish. Write pointer, unit, weight. The pointer points at between 1 and 2, and in the second division, we use both kilograms and grams. Our weight is 1 kilogram and 200 grams. This piece of fish weighs 1 kilogram and 200 grams. Again, this piece of fish weighs 1 kilogram and 200 grams. Understood? Alright, let's have another example. Let's measure the weight of tomatoes. Let's write the pointer, the unit, and the weight. Where does our pointer point this time? Okay, it points between, good job, 2 and 3 in the third division. So we still use both kilograms and grams. So our weight becomes 2 kilograms and 300 grams. The tomatoes weigh 2 kilograms and 300 grams. Again, the tomatoes weigh 2 kilograms and 300 grams. So in measuring using the spring scale, you really have to be keen enough to look at the marks or the divisions so that you will have accurate measurements. And of course, if you try to sell it, you will also have accurate prices of your products. Okay? So, this is measuring weight using spring scale. See, it would be easier than using our bare hands to find out which is lighter or which is heavier. In a spring scale, we can determine the number, not only estimating what is heavier or what is light. So that is one advantage of using swing scale to measure weight. Now, let's move on to a little of comparing weights in kilograms and grams. I have prepared here at least 2 examples for you to be refreshed on comparing numbers. It's like comparing normal numbers, but this time it has units, right? So let me show you this picture. What is this? Okay, it is a puppy. How about this one? It's a... Alright, it's a pig. An estimate weight measurement for both of the pictures. First, we have the puppy. It's 3 kilograms. Again, the puppy weighs 3 kilograms, for example. And then, the pig is 7 kilograms. Estimated, okay? The puppy weighs 3 kilograms. The pig weighs 7 kilograms. Just like comparing normal numbers, we try to see if what number is big and what number is small. So, if the number is small, that means it's less than. If the number is big, that means greater than. Just don't forget, when you write the final answer, you have to write the unit. That is just the difference between comparing weights and comparing normal numbers. So, let's see. 3 and 7. Is 3 bigger than 7? Yes or no? No. It's smaller. Good job. 3 kilograms is smaller than 7 kilograms, which means our symbol for this one is less than. 3 kilograms is less than 7 kilograms. So we can also say the pig is heavier than the puppy. Or the puppy is lighter than the pig. Another example of 2 pictures. We have picture 1, picture 2. The first picture is a book, and the second picture is a coconut. The book weighs 1 kilogram and 200 grams. Okay? Again, the book weighs 1 kilogram and 200 grams, while the coconut weighs 1 kilogram and 600 grams. Now, let's follow the rule again. Now this time there are 2 units. We have kilogram and we also have grams. So the rule is we need to look at the value of the kilogram first before looking out into the gram. Let's see. The book is how many kilograms? 1. Good job. How about the coconut? Also 1. Are they the same? Yes, they are. So, in this case, we cannot compare them just by looking at the kilogram. So, we try looking at the grams. How many grams is the book? Okay, good job. It's 200 grams. How about the coconut? 600 grams. Now, which is bigger? 200 or 600? Okay, very good. It's 600. Therefore, 1 kilogram and 200 grams is less than 1 kilogram and 600 grams. Or, the coconut is heavier than the book. Or, the book is lighter than the coconut. You can say either of the two. For as long as, again, you remember, when you compare units or weights with 2 units, you have to start with a bigger unit. Okay? Very good. Long way to go, everyone. And you are doing great so far. I guess that would be all for today. Thank you all for listening and for watching in this video. I hope you have learned a lot and hoping from you a lot of learnings next time. Okay? Goodbye everyone and keep safe always.